Okay, to simplify this question, okay, question 3, workbook, page 26. Okay, so to solve this question, okay, this one you know the bracket means multiply, right? Okay, I expand this one. Okay, so you know 3, copy back 3 over 2xy time 14xy. Okay, this one positive times negative, you get negative here. Copy 3 over 2xy times 20x squared, and this one copy back plus 2x over y. Okay, then after that you simplify this one, can cut. Okay, this one 1. Okay, here 7. Then xy can cut this one. Okay, so you get 3 times 7, you get 21. And then this one 2 can cut here, 1 here, 10. Negative 3 times 10, you get negative 30. And then you cut this x, okay, become negative 30x over y. And then copy back this one plus 2x over y. Okay, you get like this, right? Okay, now make it same. This one y, the denominator. So here also you must change the denominator, become y. So you times y, so you times y. So become 21y minus 30x plus 2x over y. Okay, get like this. Then this one you can simplify. Okay, this one negative 30 plus 2, negative 30x plus 2x, you get 21y. Negative 30 plus 2, you get negative 28x over y. Okay, so this one, okay, you can factorize this, right? Okay, using the HCF method, because you know the common factors for this 21 and 28 equal to 7. So you write 7 outside, and then 7 times what? You get 21. So 7 times 3y. So 7 times what? You get 28 negative 4x, right? Okay, so you can write 21y minus 28x. So you write this one in the form of factorization. 7 times 3y minus 4x over y. Okay, this one your final answer for question A. Okay, this one your final answer. Okay, now next question. Okay, question B, page 26. Okay, 12k over k square minus 6k plus 5 minus k over k square minus k. Okay, so okay, when you look at this question, okay, first, okay, automatic you know the pattern of the question here. Okay, the pattern k square minus 6k plus 5. What you have to do this, okay, you have to factorize. Okay, factorize using cross multiplication, right? Because this one the pattern of the equation using cross multiplication. Okay, and then for this one, you have to factorize using HCF method. Okay, after you factorize, you can simplify. Okay, now this one, how to factorize? Okay, you already learned before. Okay, cross multiplication like this. Okay, k square equal to k times k. And then factor the factors of 5. 1 times 5. 1 times 5, if you plus, you get 6, right? But here negative 6, so both you must put negative. So k square minus 6k plus 5, the factorization for this equal to k minus 1, k minus 5. k minus 1, k minus 5. Okay, this one. And then this one, the common factor for this k, so you write here k. So k times k, you get k square. K times 1 become, so here negative, so put negative 1. So you check, you can expand k times k, k square. K times negative 1, negative k. Okay, correct. Okay, now how to simplify? Right, copy back 12k. 12k over, okay, this one, k square minus 6k plus 5. You write, you copy this after you factorize. You write here, k minus 1, k minus 5. Okay, and then here minus, copy minus, k over, okay, copy this one. Okay, k square minus k equal to k bracket k minus 1. Okay, right here. Okay, then after that, okay, you have to make it the denominator same, right? Okay, so if up and down, you can cut. Okay, you can simplify by here 1. Okay, so we get 12k over k minus 1, k minus 5, minus by 1 over k minus 1. Okay, you must change the denominator. Okay, make it this one same like this. So here have k minus 5. So here you have to multiply k minus 5. You also multiply k minus 5. Okay, okay, like this. And then you write 12k minus, okay, minus 1 open bracket k minus 5 over, okay, copy this one, k minus 5, k minus 1, k minus 5. Okay, then, okay, this one you expand. Okay, 12k, negative 1 times k, you get negative k. Negative 1 times negative 5, you get positive 5 over, okay, this one copy back, k minus 1, k minus 5. Okay, this one you can simplify by 12k minus k, you get 11k plus 5 over k minus 1, k minus 5. Okay, finish. Okay, this one the working for question B. Okay, the working. Okay, so the answer. The final answer 11k plus 5 over k minus 1, k minus 5. Okay, follow this step. Okay, now question C is still at the same page. Okay, page 26. Okay, so we'll look at this pattern here. This pattern 16y square minus 1, y square minus 1. Okay, this one both perfect square. Okay, one also perfect square. So you have to factorize first. Okay, factorize by, okay, 16 equal to 4 square, right? 4 square. Okay, copy back, y square minus, okay, 1 always perfect. Okay, 1 always perfect square. So you can write in the form of 4y plus 1, 4y minus 1. Okay, finish. Finish factorize for this one. And then how about y square minus 1? This one also different, this one also method perfect square. Okay, y square minus 1 equal to 1 always perfect. Okay, so y square minus 1 square. So to factorize this become y plus 1, y minus 1, y plus 1, y minus 1. Okay, so this one you finish factorize. Okay, now you can write, okay, 16y square minus 1, you can write in the form of factorization 4y plus 1, 4y minus 1, 4y plus 1, 4y minus 1 over, okay, copy this one, y square minus 1 equal to y plus 1, y minus 1. Okay, right here, y plus 1, y minus 1. Okay, then divide, okay, change to time. Then you have to inverse this. So yz plus z over 8y plus 2. Okay, this one also you have to factorize. Okay, the common factor for this z, right? Z outside, and then y plus 1. Okay, when you expand, you get z times y, you get yz. Z times 1, you get z. Okay, correct. And then this one also you have to factorize, equal to 2. Okay, the common factor for this 2. And then 2 times y, you get 8. So 4y plus 2 times 1, you get 2. So this one. Okay, then 4y plus 1, 4y minus 1. Okay, y plus 1, y minus 1. Actually, you can straightly write this in the form of factorization. This one I just want to show you the step, okay? Okay, now after you write in the form of factorization, okay, you write in the form of factorization. Now time to simplify. Okay, which one same you can cut. This one 4y plus 1. This also 4y plus 1, right? Okay, cut. Okay, this one y plus 1. This one also y plus 1. Here. Okay, cut. Okay, then no more you have to cut. You can cut when up and down or cross only. Okay, if same numerator, you cannot cut. Okay, so you can write your final answer equal to, okay, this one z, open bracket, copy this one, 4y minus 1 over, this one 2, right here, 2, y minus 1. Okay, finish. This one your final answer for question C. Okay, for question C. Okay, go question D, okay? Page 26. Okay, so this one you can use, you factorize first. Okay, before you simplify, you solve this question. You have to say factorize this one. PQ plus QR. The common factor for this Q. Okay, write Q outside. And then Q times P, you get PQ. And Q times R, you get QR. So you put R. Right. Okay, this one, you write here. You factorize. You get this. Over. Okay, then this one, 9Q square minus 1. This one, perfect. Perfect square, right? 9 perfect square, which is equal to 3 square equal to 9. Okay, 3 square equal to 9. And then you copy Q square. 1 always perfect, okay? 1. So you will get 3Q plus 1, 3Q minus 1, okay? 3Q plus 1, 3Q minus 1. Okay, so you can write here 3Q plus 1, 3Q minus 1. Okay, and then divide, change to time, and then you have to inverse this one. Okay, 6Q square plus 5Q plus 1 over P square minus R square. Okay, this also you must factorize. Okay, this one using cross multiplication. Okay, 6Q equal to 3Q times 2Q, and then factors of 1 times 1. Okay, then check. You plus 3Q times 1, you get 3Q. 2Q times 1, you get 2Q. 3Q plus 2Q, you get 5Q. Okay, so correct. So your answer here, 3Q plus 1, 2Q plus 1. Okay, and then this one perfect. P square minus R square equal to P plus R, P minus R. Okay, this one perfect. Okay, then you copy back. Okay. Okay, copy Q. P plus R over, okay, 3Q plus 1, 3Q minus 1. Okay, times. Okay, this one, write in the form of the factorization. This one, 3q plus 1, 2q plus 1. Over, okay, this one, p plus r, p minus r. Okay, so you finish factorize. Now you can cut. Okay, which one same? 3q plus 1. This one also 3q plus 1. Okay, go cut. This one p plus r. This one also p plus r. Again, then you cannot find the same that you have to cut. You have to simplify. Then you stop. You copy only q times 2q plus 1. Okay, so you write q times 2q plus 1 over, okay, 3q minus 1 times p minus r. Okay, this one your final answer. Okay, finish. So to solve this question, okay, so you have to factorize all the terms. Okay, factorize and then divide, change to time, then inverse, and then simplify. Then you will get the final answer. Okay, so your final answer, q in bracket 2q plus 1 over 3q minus 1 p minus r.